Look who I found in the gondola.
Funny seeing you here.
Yeah.
Well, you know, Killington always
Seriously,
has
though.
the best snow in the beginning of the season, so this is where we all come in the beginning of the year.
True.
But, no, this is a really big thing for me. It's really important for people to understand how the generations are developing and moving, and I think that Killington has their finger on the pulse of it and has some really good innovation in mind for it, especially with the kids. So there's some really great alpine racers that have come out of here, you know, Donna and the freestyle, but now they're starting to get boarders and the slopestyle, and they're really getting some amazing athletes in here. And so what we're trying to do is integrate the athletes with the Killington school so that they can feed off of each other. You know, that's one thing I've noticed with the kids now. It used to be this really rigid, like, racers against snowboarders when they first, you know, it's just ridiculous nonsense. And now I think you're seeing a little more respect crisscrossing. And so you're seeing, you know, the racer kind of jump in the pipe on their skis and try and see how that works, and really get some admiration based on their inability in the pipe on their race skis of the kids who are in there ripping and hucking and going so big and, you know, scaring me. I have 4 boys and I think, like, you know, but now if there's as good of integration as they're starting to try and make, it won't matter. They'll all be buddies, and they'll all be encouraging one another, and they'll all be...
Well, to just get out on the sport, get out there, do a sport, pick one, go on snow, have fun, right? And just to be clear here, we've made it clear we're at Killington, but I did really find Peekaboo Street in the gondola. Yeah. And that's kind of what you get to do, is you get to roll in here. You do have to sign up, but you can maybe ski and ride with Peekaboo, or you can get out here. We've got some other celebrities on tap, Dan Egan, some other great faces, kind of depending on what you specifically think you want to work on.
Yeah, and I think that's the thing that's the neatest, is you can go, okay, you know, I want to carve some snowboard turns today, and you can select there, or, you know. So yeah, I think it really adds to the skiing experience to be able to have somebody who, you know, can take one look at you really quickly and go, this is what's going on, let's try this, and boom, it changes it. Not to say that a ski instructor can't do that, they can, but there's just something a little bit more about having gone so big yourself, that when you're trying to talk somebody else into going big, you kind of bring more clout to the table.
And understanding the limits and where your limits might be, and learning how to step past them just a little bit. And,
well, you do. You have to, inevitably, you have to step past them. That's one of the parts of the whole game, and why we like it so much, is you get right to that envelope, and then you go past it, crash, go, okay, I know where I am, step just back this side of it, and push, 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 and that's kind of where we perpetuate for sure. But I think that I like the diversity and the options. Having 4 kids now, I love the idea of them being able to go, okay, what do I want to do? And they can pick and choose, and we can get everybody up here. Because honestly, for me, skiing is still so, not because I love it, I fell in love with it because it's my passion, and, you know, it's been what I've done all my life. It's really a niche. Like, when you look at the world and its development, where else can you take 4 10-year-olds, give them a walkie-talkie, say, hit it, dudes, at 9 o'clock in the morning, and we'll catch you at noon at the lodge.
Right, and know that it's good, clean fun.
Good, clean fun. They're being watched over and taken care of, and they're ripping around, having a great time. They're growing and developing on their own. They're spreading wings, getting confident, and you're giving them that, you know, that little extra boost that they're going to need in life. And you can't ever take that away from those boys. Like, once they experience that, you can't take it away. You know, you give the same thing to the girls. There's nowhere else you can do that. You can't take your kids to Disneyland and go, here's some walkie-talkies, see you in a few hours.
No, this is an experience in and of itself, and that's what you're here to do, is the kids, the adults, whatever your specific snow sport is, get the passion, just get it to that level that is bubbling over, and you can't wait to come back.
Well, and if it is at that level already, which a lot of people are, and it's bubbling over already, well, now here we've got some more to offer you to really kind of, you know, to feed you.
Well, give it to Killington for making amazing snow. You can come back during different conditions if you want to ride with a different
period. Always has. Like, Killington is where I'll come ski back east, period. You know, I'm going to go over to Stowe in January for another event, but, you know, but Killington is
so that's why you're here. Perfect. That's awesome. Well, I got to ask for one little favor. I need a Killington TV 14 plug, because where else would you know where the conditions are going to happen?
Right here. Killington 14 has the conditions. They know what's up. This is your spot to find it out. So while you're gearing up in the morning, turn them on. So you know what's up when you walk out the door to the office.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Peekaboo Street.
Thanks for having me.